So today we have a PS4 that came in for a deep clean. Right away we can see this thing is a bit dusty and definitely does need a cleaning. Also, here is a look at my gloves before the cleaning. You start things off by taking out the hard drive, setting it somewhere safe and far away from any magnets. After this, we proceed to take off the warranty stickers and taking out the security screws. This will allow us to take off the plastic shell. Right away we can see that the fan is extremely clogged up with dust. This can lead to overheating issues in the future if not unclogged. So here we're actually going to take this outside and blow off some of this excess dust. We loosen up the top shell and unscrew the screws holding it in, taking it off to get into the inside of the PS4. We then start taking off the metal plate holding in the motherboard. And take off the CPU bracket, freeing the motherboard. Next, we take out the power supply, which also has a decent buildup of dust and debris in it. Here's the heatsink, which is the main thing we need to clean to ensure proper distribution of heat. When this has dust on it, the heat cannot be blown away by the fan and just builds up in the PS4, causing long-term damage to the internal components. We then go on to unplug all the ribbon cables from the daughter board. Now, freeing the motherboard, we will also be replacing the thermal paste on this PS4 as it is definitely dried up by now. After taking out the disk drive, we go on to get that motherboard out and start cleaning off that old dried up thermal paste. After blowing off all the plastics, heatsink, fan outside, we proceed to deep clean the entire PS4 by detail brushing all of the excess dust and other little things we might have missed. We make sure to get in between all the grates and the detail lines of the PlayStation. After doing all this, we will begin reassembly. So here we actually pull out a little dust bunny that we found on the inside of the PlayStation 4. It's about the size of my thumb. And after completely reassembling the PS4, we shine and detail clean the outside with a plastic restorer and disinfectant. After finishing cleaning up our workstation, we can say that this PlayStation 4 has been given the royal touch. And if you've stuck through the entire video, this is the after shot of my gloves. You can see how they're noticeably yellow and dirty. Thanks for watching, and reach out to us if you have any devices of your own that you need fixed.